All right, we are back. Today is the 22 January. It's I don't even know what day is today. Today is Thursday. Yes, we had a couple of news today, and we still have at like 4 p.m. But we have good setups, and market's going to open in 5 minutes. My timer's wrong. Yep, in 5 minutes the market's going to open. So let's see what we can do today. Dum. So, yesterday I took a L, which is of course not ideal, but it is what it is. It's just another reason for a good profit day, because I only execute, as a trader, you pretty much only execute your setups, because only with your setups you have your odds in favor. And this same thing that I'm gonna do today, and mathematically there's a possibility that that it will work out today. So yeah, let's look forward. We got two bullish gaps here, same on here, but I'm just gonna mark that one out. We already tapped in that, maybe with 1 minute break. Yeah, we had a 1 minute break here, and we took out basically London, Asia highs. No, we didn't took out Asia highs. Asia highs was somewhere here. But we have London highs today, so we're gonna mark them out right now. Pretty high. I think we're gonna take out some lows and maybe then continue higher. So we're definitely going for retracement. That's what I think. The fall is definitely going to close bullish. Pretty sure about it. I mean, you never know. 2 minutes market open. There's a lot of volume today. And maybe I'm only taking a trade after 4 p.m. Depends on the price action and on the setups I get right now. Just kind of gonna close in 3 hours. Still a long time. But this setup looks good. I like the setup a lot. Just simple, only simple setups today, basically. Nothing extravagant or weird. Just the simple setups. The simpler it looks, the better it is. But yeah. Alright, so market's going to open 1 minute. I would love to actually take this trade. This looks pretty good, but it really depends on the price action that I get. I mean, we have this London lows down here. No. So let's mark every low out. Yes. London low, Asia low. No, here's the Asian low, but you can basically say this is the daily low then. And we have this London highs. So we got this Asia low. No, sorry, wrong. SSL. And this is my BSL on the London session. Already took out Asia right here. We already took that out and made this big 1 hour gap. So what I'm looking forward to is we might get a little bit of a retracement in this 1 hour gap again, take out the Asian low and maybe make a SMT here. Maybe. To go for a long, This would be ideal. This is the idea. And let's see how this will work out, because I don't know if this will work out or not, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm just looking forward to it. I gotta set everything up. I'm just gonna do it right now because I have time. But yeah, software update. Okay, no, not right now. Not right now. Oh. My iPad is bugging, man. Like what? What's happening? Okay, now it goes. All right. So market is going to open. It is. No, it's not open. Yeah, my timer's wrong. I don't know if you can't see it because of my cam, but my timer on this PC is wrong. Now market is open. Now we have 30, and we already see like good push downs to the level that I marked right now. Yeah. I mean, This is what we are expecting. So yeah, I'm gonna make a cut and let's see if the setup happened, because I still gotta like set up a couple of things, but I'll be back in a second. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes or like basically 5 minutes now only, and we already entered the gap and we are taking out these Asia lows and we're going to make SMT. It's like I knew the marks, man, just like I knew the market. But yeah, let's just gonna take the trade probably on NQ and the X. That's what it is. It's a buy. It's I have no clue, man. Don't ask me where my entry will be. Where the Asian lows? Give me a second. The Asian lows are all the way down here, though, no? Okay. So we still gotta wait, but it's not that bad. Do we have to wait? It depends on if we make this SMT or not, but we're probably going to make the SMT. But it depends on which time frame I'm looking for, you know. And I need a break somewhere like here at least, cause this trade is not good. You know, this trade I don't like this trade. It's 1-1 wish reward. Why? There's no reason for me to take this. You know, it gotta be somewhere at least here, so I have like a decent risk reward on like 1.6 or something, 1.5. But I'm not taking trades under like 1.3 basically. Yeah, this would be a great risk reward. I would love to take this one. If the break someone around happens there, then I'm fine, but otherwise I'm not taking it. So yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna start the stream too. There we go. Okay, we have to wait for like the 1 minute break. Make SMT on 15-minute maybe. On the 30, 1 hour, 20 minutes to close. Oh, that's oh no. I'm not waiting for the SMT. If I get a 1 minute break, then I get a 1 minute break. But yeah, as I said, I don't want it up here because the wizard world is just it's just not good, man. It is not a good risk reward in my opinion. I do not take 1-to-1 risk rewards. It doesn't make sense for me. Just not good. But yeah, we took out the Asian lows now and we are looking for new highs. Maybe I go for like different highs, like this maybe this I even, you know. So this could be a possible trade then that I'm willing to take actually. And this is my BSL on the daily and this is the weekly. Last week, yeah. This is the last week high. It's definitely possible to take out today. Let's just see what the market does. On EURUSD, we already, yeah, I mean, we kind of dipped into the setup and took out every single high and just went straight up bullish. Like, bullish. We're probably going up to, all the way up to this size. So, there's no point for looking for an entry right now there. Gold, same thing, you know, kind of tapped into it and just bullish as shit. So, not much to do there, but this could be a possibility. Let me just, what type of risk reward is this? It's not good. It's not ideal, but let's just calculate it. 1.6 on this one. This is basically 0.6, yeah, even less. So, I don't really like that, but it is what it is. I gotta make my calculations real quick. Where entry would be somewhere around like 684, 25, 684. Where's this? 25, 684 to all the way down. Okay, we do not get this break probably. 25, 594. 25, 594. Wait, I'm just tripping, man. Alright. This is gonna be like a low lot trade, yeah. We're not getting the break. Which is not good, because now we have, I mean, this break is even worse, you know. This break would be even way worse, so I do not want to see the break of structure right here. But there's a possibility that we can retrace on this 5 minute gap. to get like lower breakout structure back into the zone, which I'm really need to look for. But we also got like this SMT, you know, there's a big ass SMT on the 50-minute chart right now, so everything screams bullish, you know, but just the risk reward doesn't talk to me like I want it to be. But it's going to be like a 1 point. Maybe I'm just going to make a 1 position out of it, like decide, but it doesn't make sense, you know. I have to do like 2 positions. But yeah. Maybe I gotta be fine with a bad risk reward, you know. Sometimes you have to take what you get, and because the setup is pretty good, you know. This setup is like excellent, and it gives me the confirmation that I wanna have, you know. It gives me the good SMT, like here. This is like a great SMT, man. Look at this, it's beautiful. We do not have a 1 minute break right now. This is the one thing that is missing, the 1 minute break for me to enter this position. I'm gonna make like two positions, one here, one here. I mean, this would be the, right now would be one, you know, one would be great, but I don't think we get this breakout structure down here. We probably get it up here and gotta live with like a 1.3 RR on one position only, which is really not good. I don't even think I'm gonna take this trade then, because we are still news, you know, we have news at like 4 p.m. We gotta watch out for that, and I'm not willing to take any risk that is not, you know, part of my normal trading setup, style, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. Okay, we might get a breakdown here. This would be like under this equilibrium, you know. I got a high time frame equilibrium. Oh, no, I'm capping. I do not have an equilibrium, but now I have, you know, I have a 4-hour EQ. Right? Do I have 4-hour EQ? Yeah, kind of. Can also like take this, you know. Same shit. Yeah, we do not trade with EQ right now. We have this 5-minute retrace, you know. It's kind of messing everything up, but okay, nice. We get good push downs, which is great actually. I like this, because if we continue like a little bit of the price action and get a 1 minute break to the upside, we would be fine. But we're also going to take out these lows, so we don't have this SMT anymore. Or we are likely to take out these lows. Not guaranteed, but it would make sense, you know. It would make sense. So this was like one. I gotta make new calculations. If it ends up down here somewhere, I gotta make new calculations. But yeah, let's just wait, you know. Let's wait. Yeah, that's the plan. Wait for a little bit of price continuation. This 1 hour gap, get a breakout structure on a 1 minute, and we are in this bitch, but we still have to wait for it, you know. We still have to wait. Yeah, we just straight up bullish. We're so bullish here. Don't have setup here now. The setup got already like hit. And this setup is hopefully going to hit. Good momentum down. Do we take any highs out? I mean, oh fuck that. We took London highs out, like here. On NQ we still got the London highs. This is just interesting. Might get a break of structure in 2 minutes. I mean, if the break somehow happens around here, I would be fine, you know, I would be fine. This is my first position, and my second is like all the way up here, so this trade is a big baller trade, you know. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to happen. But this gotta be down candle now. But it's probably going to be an up candle, which is not good. I'm wrong, it's going to be a down candle. Okay. Let's say we get a break of structure around here on the 659 level. Okay, I can definitely increase lot sizes. I'm like 1.6 maybe. Yeah, 1.6 good. Per position, got a risk reward on the second one of 2.5 and this on like 1.2. So this is good. Does not look like that we are getting a break. Looks like we are going to take out these Asia lows on ES, and this is why NQ is pulling down that much. I mean, if it still stays in the gap, I'm good, and if it gets out of the gap, I'm also good because we have another 1 hour gap here. But we are going to break the 1 hour structure, which is not great. So this is also like, you know, it's not that good. But yeah, let's just wait and see. It's really bullish, really bullish. Oh, fuck that. Okay, we're going to break this. I'm gonna just make a new one right now. I mean, this also looks better, you know, like this with the equilibrium. If you want to trade on equilibrium, this also looks better. I took this out, so I can delete this, and we are going to take this one out. We already took it out, so let's delete this too. The thing is, we already took like London highs out here, so I'm more likely to take this trade on NQ than on ES, because we also enter in this zone now. Okay, let's delete this gap and watch out for this gap, I guess. Maybe we can make a Q, it wouldn't hurt, you know, it doesn't hurt anyone. And we have like several levels. We have like this 5-minute level, key level here. But I'm gonna mark the bodies out, you know. Oh, it's like the bodies more than the wicks. Just because of experience in the market, I prefer them. Let's say I got a 1-minute break somewhere here. This would be a decent trade. Do we have like any 30-minute something, 50-minute? We have this order block still. That's under this gap, right? Yeah. Just make it like here. 25,585. 25,535. Yeah, this is really low lot size. It's like 2 lot trade per position. A really high lot size actually for NQ. I mean, but this trade looks better, man. This setup's better. What the fuck happened here? How? Why is like what? What happened? I don't know, man. This is a invisible gap, I guess. It's okay. Okay. I mean, the 4 hour looks kind of crazy bearish right now, if I'm being honest with you. But we're not going to break for our structure. Oh, there's like no way. There's no way. So I'm still confident like a long setup. Still like very confident in a long setup right here. But yeah, let's see, man. It's just a lot of price action right now, and we have news in like 8 minutes. So let's see what's going to happen then. That's really interesting. I mean, the thing is, oh, if I get a 1 minute break right now, I'll still enter, even though they're like news in like 5 minutes basically. Or 10 minutes. Oh. But these are like, you know, it's actually not big news. It's a red folder, but just nothing big, you know. Yeah, it's like whatever, you know. Yeah, I mean, it's alright. If this break somewhere happens around here, I definitely gotta lower my lot size, but we can also do this. Shouldn't be much of a problem. Yeah, definitely prefer NQ over ES though, like for real. Oh, don't tell me just gonna retrace without a break. It would be so NQ, you know? It would be so NQ. Just retracing all the way up, just make a big ass wick without like any type of break of structure to the upside for my confirmation. Do we have an inverse? Like, no, it didn't happen something, right? We have this inverse gap, but it's just 1 minute gap, you know? 2 minute gap, no. 3 minute gap, no. So I really need a break of structure, man, on a 1 minute. At least on a 1 minute. I mean, I'll also take like a 5 to 15 minute break of structure, but I would be glad if I get a 1 minute. This would be fine. But no break of structure is always like, damn, you know? You got the setup, you got everything, and you just can't execute it because of one missing part, one missing piece of the puzzle. So yeah. Oh, camp's kind of. I think it's fine. Yeah. Okay. We're getting like a little bit of pullback to downside. USD is doing its thing, I would say. You know, we got a good retracement right now on a 5 minute, but I'm not trading any type of 5 minutes. So this is not what we're looking into. But it would be a good long for like maybe these highs and everything else. But not really my style, my trading style. We just bullish, but we might get a retracement on like, no, we don't. This looks really good bullish. But I need a break. I need it. Even if I get a break right now, it would be like 1.2 RR. It's just ass, you know. So we have to wait for a little bit of a pullback down and then a break of structure to the upside. But I'm definitely not taking this trade if it somehow breaks here up there. I'm not taking it because we have also news and the risk reward just isn't worth it. The risk. Like 1.2 RR on like one position is like so bad, and yeah, just basically 0.5 on like my first CP would have been. So it's really not great either. Okay, we might get a breakout structure on ES though. But same thing here, you know, it's just not really nice. I mean, here it's like 1.5 on one position, but it's also not that great. Because you got it, we already took out the London highs here. And we still have a gap like below this, you know, we still have a big gap, 1 hour gap below this. that we might enter. Okay, now yeah, the news are hitting, or like the pre-news. Actually, we don't have news yet. It's just in 5 minutes, but got a lot of price movement right now. To the downside, which I appreciate. You know, I like price movement to the downside right now. It's not bad for me. But yeah. Whoa. Fucking fly. Trading is really boring. I swear. It's just boring, you know? You just wait. You sit on your like computer, phone, or whatever device you have and just wait, you know? You just wait to like make 2 clicks and sometimes you wait a whole day for nothing, you know? Sometimes. Some days. It's like it. But oh, can't listen to the song. I'm so sorry. You probably don't even hear it. Oh, this is even worse. That is fun. Oh, I'm gonna cut so much because it's so boring. Or might just like, you know, fuck it, you know, just uncut on YouTube. But just waiting, you know, I made this like couple of first recaps. I always did like 50 to 60 like minute videos to a fucking hour. But I don't like it that long because who's gonna watch all that, you know? Who is going to, I mean, probably someone. I actually like this. I always watch like, I like the longer recaps more than like the cut it short recaps. I always like to watch them more, but I don't know, man. Y'all fuck with that? I don't know. Let me know. But either way, gold is getting a big retracement. Daily, no. Yeah, gold's getting a big retracement, and yes is pulling all the way down now. This not that bad. But I mean, this is such a beautiful retracement, isn't it? Like it could be something. The setup's so good. I mean, we're going to break the 1 hour structure, which is not that good, but should we look for? I mean, the 4 hour is so bullish though. The 4 hour is really, really bullish. So actually, don't really. I mean, this trade would be so great. It would be perfect. Just like a 2 lot trade on 2 positions. Probably gonna move it down here. I mean, we don't have like any type of lower time frame retracement or like something, a gap that make price reverse. Tired. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to close this gap bullish with a lot of volume down. Show on Discord. I mean, this is what it is. You know, it is what it is. I have to wait. news are in right now, so let's see what price action is doing. The news are hitting right now. Fucking fly, man. But yeah, let's see. Okay, we are going down. Interesting. Oh, I mean, it looks really bearish, man. This 1 hour is just so massive, you know. Hmm. Okay, now we are talking on ES because we are going into this gap. It looks like we're going to this gap. This is what I actually prefer. Bullish. I can't get a 1 minute break. We can't get a 1 minute break here, man. Oh. Yeah, I actually don't think we are able to take a trade today. If I think about it. Because this setup is screwed. There's no setup right now, you know? There's literally no setup. Might get a 4-hour setup in like 3 hours, but it's way too late for me to trade. The 1 hour setups are all like screwed. I don't trade lower time for setups, and actually is pretty much the only possibility with ES, but I don't know. Gold is like gold, you know. The price action of gold is just bad, and NQ is not really giving me bullish confidence right now. We're just not getting any type of breaks. It's actually looking like we're going all the way down to these lows because we broke 1 hour structure to the downside, and we're continuing this. You know, we're straight up continuing the downtrend on the 1 hour at least. 4 hour close too. Okay, that's interesting. But yeah. I mean, this gap is screwed. I think this gap is pretty screwed, you know. We're kind of suspecting it. Kind of. But yeah. Same here. Straight up, same thing here. I get a 1 minute break here though. I guess I get a 1 minute break on here somewhere. Would be this trade, which is actually pretty good. Like a really low risk trade. First, second. Let's take the bodies though. Okay, so this would be like the first position, the second position. Hmm. Oh, it's just bearish, man. When the trend is so bullish, New York starts and just boom, you know. It's crazy right now. It's really crazy. I mean, they're all the way down here, like daily low, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's not looking great for setup today. I hate it. Something happening here. Nothing. We're straight up disrespecting this gap, so it's fucked. It's just fucked. It is just fucked, man. We're disrespecting this gap and, you know, just completely reverse everything and just go completely against the trend, you know. Yeah, it's just dumb. Can't do much right now. Am I gonna break here? You know, whether take the trade on ES or not, then on NQ. This looks actually a little bit better, but at the same time, you know, this is such like a tight stop loss, you know, this gap is not that big, you know. But my retrace, it looks like it's going to retrace. I mean, never know. Gotta get all the way up here though. It's not looking like it. We also have like this bearish 5-minute order block, which is like not good, but this should be what would be good though. So we're gonna break here. Let's just calculate real quick. 6931, 6931. 6924. It's like 10 lots on this bitch. Yeah, like 13 lots. And we got the break right now. I think I'm going to entry because I can, man. Let me switch. Let's make 10.5 lots, right? Actually don't really like this entry though. But it is my setup. It is my setup, you know. So fuck it, man. Fuck it, man. The setup speaks for itself. Setup speaks for itself. Oh yeah, no, you're right. I'm down. Let's just make it like this, man. Got to change my position on like MetaTrader right now and everything. The most important thing is stop loss, so we're gonna make it first. Because we have a lot of volume right now going, man. Like a lot, so don't want to get stopped out somehow on anything. This is not the plan. This is not the ideal plan. Wait, 1 hour, buddy. Get down here. This looks so different though. Gotta change accounts now. Go on this account. I'm gonna make the same thing. Change my position. Oh, I hate it, man. Like the MetaTrader. I hate it. I really don't like it. Down like a couple of bucks. Chart. I mean, I can make up to like 3.4k on this trade and lose like 1.4k. So this is fine. Right here, you see I lose like $100 and make up to, I don't know, like 200 something. And on the 25k, same thing basically. No, it's not the same thing. Sorry, I'm a liar. So on the 25k, it's like about making like 340 and lose about like 130. So this is a good risk reward actually. I really like this risk reward. But yeah, we got the break now, and I want to see some price movement to the upside. You know, that's what I want to see. So let's see if it really happens. Wait. Gonna make like this. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Just like that. I'm gonna go break even when I hit my first CP, and we are going to see it in a second if we... Oh no, let's actually wait, because the volume is so high. I'm not gonna make a cut. I'm gonna wait like a couple of minutes for all of y'all till TP might get hit. Wait, I gotta move my TP. Gotta move it up here. Oopsie. I made a mistake. GG's. Why wouldn't I even do it on the... I have no clue. Okay, I can make way more profit than what I just told all of y'all. So the first position is about like 0.8% or like 0.75%. The second position is about like no, not 2. It's about 1.4%, 1.3%. So overall this trade I can make up to like nearly 3%, like 2.6%, and lose about 0.7 if you want it, like percent. So yeah, let's check it out, man. What's gonna happen? Now I'm actually gonna make a cut because I think it's gonna take a while. So I will see you again in like one cut. Okay, we are back and it's been a while, and we hit take profit just like that. 6.4 RR trade. I'll take it. Yeah, it's a great trade. What can I tell you, man? We take profits here and we take profits here. I made like, let me check. Let me show you real quick. On my 200k, I made today around 4k. If you can see it. I think you can see it. 3.68k. And on my other account, I made like, it's a 25k account, just I made around $400. So that's nice. I would definitely take that. And yeah, wait, why did it black out? There we go. I'll take it. Been a good day, good trading day. I think tomorrow I do not trade, but let me check first. I do not trade tomorrow, so we're gonna see us next week again. Nice.